What? What is this red liquid coming from my paw?
It's called blood, hero.
Do I need it?
Yes. So if you want to keep it inside your body where it belongs, you should stop jumping off trucks doing 80 on the interstate!
Yeah, well, normally I tend more indestructible. Must have been the, Styrofoam! The stuff! It weakens me!
Aha!
What are you doing? Put that down!
All right, that's it. I've had it with you. Untie me, Pooch. Or I'm gonna seriously wound you. I'm gonna seriously wound you with this styrofoam.
Are you mad? You don't know the power of Styrofoam!
Oh, you bet I'm mad, baby. And I'm about to unleash it. The power of the styrofoam.
Whoa! Alright, cat! Okay, you win. Untie you. That's a weird push to play the piano. Hiya! Are we gonna have any more problems, cat?
No more problems. I'll take you to Penny.
Ugh, what is that?
What?
That! Okay, you have 2 seconds to tell me what implanted in me, cat. Poison? Parasite? Poison? Wait, I just said, didn't I? CMO discombobulated. I can't think straight.
I don't believe this. You're hungry.
Where is the antidote?
Okay. All right. There's your antidote. Food.